Here's how I turned a 1958 Chevy 4-door into a custom 2-door. I just welded the back doors shut. Couldn't afford the folding front seats, so if you wanted in the back, you had to climb over the front bench like you were storming Normandy. One night, we decided to sneak into the drive-in. The plan was simple. If you didn't have 50 cents for a front seat, you got to sneak in. Someone would jump out, cut through a cornfield, and meet us inside. My fat buddy Mike only had 50 cents, so he rode in the back. With no rear doors, he had to crawl out the side window. But here's the kicker. My clutch was busted and we couldn't stop, so Mike had to bail while the Chevy rolled. He slipped and I accidentally ran over his foot with the rear tire. He limped in an hour later, crying and moaning, missed half the movie. Though, to be fair, he only paid 50 cents. That's what you get for being cheap. 50 years later, we still laugh about that night every time we see a Chevy. Moral of the story, never trust a homemade 2-door when your friends are cheap and your clutch is shot.